what's the difference between your soap and other organic soaps in the market?
The difference between our soaps and the other soaps in the market is that our soaps are purely effective for sensitive, dry, oily skin type combination. So, etong soap kasi natin, hindi siya ordinary oatmeal soap. So, yung soap natin is cast-iron oatmeal soap. It is a soap that is purely made out of natural oils such as yung olive oil and virgin coconut oil, which is healthy and good for our skin. So, itong soap na to, purely dedicated siya sa mga babies na nagkakaroon ng rashes. Kaya yun yung pinagkakaiba ng soap natin from the other organic soaps in the market is that we focus on long-term solutions. Ayaw din kasi natin na yung mga customers natin ay marami nang tinatry na skincare products at hindi gumagana sa kanila at pabalik-balik yung pimples nila. So, ito, pag ginamit mo yung soap natin and yung products natin, makakatipid kayo dito and makakasave kayo dito ng money to spend sa derma kasi na long term na ginagamit nyo siya, mas lalo kayong gumaganda, mas lalo nagiging effective, at mas lalo kayong nagkakaroon improvement sa skin ninyo.